So to install our high limit thermostat, you're just going to bring it into the general area where your wiring harness is for it. Push those on. And you want to have those feeling really tight. If they slip on with no effort at all, they're really loose, you need to tighten up that connector a little bit, because you want to have a really good tight connection, especially on your heater ones, because if they're loose, they may start to generate a little heat of their own and they'll wind up either being distorted or they'll actually make the thermostat fail. So with the wires back on, we're just going to slip it into the heater box and secure it with the screw. Now in your model, it may be held with 2 screws, where this one just has 1. So now with your thermostat installed, just a matter of putting the back panel on. So now just bring your back panel into place. Just get it lined up and start it. Now you don't want to tighten that screw yet, because as you put your other screws in, you need to have the flexibility of kind of jiggling that back panel to get it into the exact proper spot. If you tighten the screw, it's just going to make it hard to get everything else lined up. And that's how easy it is to install the high limit thermostat in your dryer.